First recall covers about 229,000 Outback and legacy vehicles in the U.S. from the 2018 model year.
The automotive industry is witnessing an unprecedented transmission crisis that's turning Subaru's reputation upside down. While traditional automakers stick with proven automatic transmissions, Subaru doubled down on continuously variable transmissions across their entire lineup. But now their gamble is backfiring spectacularly as thousands of owners face catastrophic failures.
The Subarus are killing the CVTs faster than any other car.
We're talking about complete CVT replacements at 12,500 miles on 2024 models, with failures documented across specific vulnerable Subaru models: the Outback, Legacy, Forester, Impreza, Crosstrek, and Ascent. What started as isolated complaints has exploded into class action lawsuits, emergency warranty extensions to 100,000 miles, and dealers scrambling to keep replacement transmissions in stock.
2016 Subaru Outback CVT goes poopy?
According to verified service department data from multiple Subaru dealerships and Technical Service Bulletin 16-132-20R, this isn't just bad luck. It's a systemic engineering disaster. Today you'll witness the exact warning signs that predict CVT failure weeks before it happens. Learn which specific Subaru models and years are most vulnerable, and discover the documented symptoms that can save you thousands in repair costs. This isn't just another transmission problem. We're looking at potential impact on Subaru's traditionally strong reliability standings, though the brand currently ranks #1 in Consumer Reports reliability surveys, and tens of thousands of owners facing $5,000 to $7,000 repair bills without warning. Let's get started. Emergency warning signs: stop driving immediately. Here's everything you need to know to protect yourself from Subaru's CVT catastrophe. The most dangerous CVT symptoms require immediate shutdown to prevent catastrophic damage. According to verified service department reports from competition Subaru and Franklin Automotive, complete loss of forward motion while the engine revs freely signals catastrophic chain slip in both TR580 and TR690 transmissions. This indicates the steel chain connecting the variable pulleys has stretched or broken, requiring complete transmission replacement. Transmission temperature warning lights accompanied by burning odors indicate overheating that destroys internal components within minutes. The smell resembles overheated metal or acrid electrical burning. According to Subaru Technical Service Bulletin 16-132-20R, continued operation causes irreversible damage to the steel chain and pulley surfaces. Violent shuddering or bucking during acceleration, especially with dashboard warning lights, suggests internal component failure requiring immediate shutdown. This typically indicates torque converter lockup clutch failure or valve body solenoid malfunction, creating hydraulic pressure problems. Critical combinations that demand immediate action include several specific scenarios. Temperature warning plus burning smell plus loss of power equals complete shutdown required. Hard shifting plus dashboard lights plus unusual noises indicates transmission failure within hours. Slipping plus overheating plus fluid leaks means chain destruction is actively occurring. Early detection signs: act within days. Several symptoms provide critical early warning before catastrophic failure occurs. Based on diagnostic information from Subaru Technical Service Bulletin 16-132-20R, slipping sensations during acceleration where engine RPM rises but vehicle speed doesn't match indicate chain or pulley wear. The steel chain connecting variable pulleys is stretching, creating slip conditions that worsen rapidly under load. Squealing or whining noises from the transmission area during acceleration signal chain tension problems or pulley surface damage. These sounds resemble a high-pitched electric drill or grinding metal on metal. According to service department data, these noises typically appear 2 to 4 weeks before complete failure. Delayed engagement when shifting from park to drive, taking more than 2 seconds, suggests hydraulic pressure issues in the valve body solenoids. Normal engagement should occur within 1 second. Extended delays indicate declining hydraulic pump pressure or solenoid electrical resistance outside specifications. Moderate risk combinations indicating developing problems include several warning patterns. Delayed engagement plus occasional slipping shows valve body deterioration. Whining noises plus rough acceleration indicates chain wear progression. Intermittent power loss plus fluid discoloration signals internal component breakdown accelerating toward failure. Progressive warning signs. Monitor closely. According to Consumer Reports reliability data and verified owner experiences from Subaru Outback forums, progressive signs include harsh or jerky acceleration patterns where the transmission struggles to maintain smooth power delivery. This indicates the CVT's computer control system cannot properly adjust pulley ratios due to mechanical wear. Unusual engine revving patterns during highway driving create a sensation like the engine is searching for the right gear or revving without acceleration. This indicates developing chain slip conditions where the steel chain cannot maintain proper contact with pulley surfaces under load. Intermittent power loss during acceleration, especially during highway merging or hill climbing, suggests declining hydraulic pressure in the transmission's control valve body. The CVT cannot maintain proper pulley clamping force, allowing chain slip during high torque demands. DIY diagnostic techniques every owner can perform. Check CVT fluid condition using the dipstick method on models equipped with dipsticks, or have fluid inspected during routine maintenance. Fresh Subaru CVT fluid appears clear to light amber in color. Contaminated fluid shows critical warning signs that every owner should recognize. Dark brown or black coloration indicates overheating and component breakdown. Metal particles or debris visible in fluid signals internal wear of chain or pulley components. Burnt smell resembling overheated cooking oil indicates thermal breakdown of fluid additives. Foamy or frothy appearance suggests air contamination or seal failure, allowing air into the hydraulic system. Perform these owner-safe diagnostic checks to monitor transmission health. During cold start, listen for unusual noises during the first 5 minutes of operation when fluid viscosity is highest. This is the idle engagement test where you time the delay between shifting from park to drive. Anything over 2 seconds warrants professional attention. During gentle acceleration, note any jerking, hesitation, or uneven power delivery indicating control system problems through the acceleration smoothness test. At steady highway speeds, monitor for unusual RPM fluctuations or hunting behavior during the highway cruise test. Learn to identify critical CVT failure sounds through audio recognition. Chain slip creates high-pitched whining similar to a dentist's drill under acceleration. Pulley wear produces grinding noise like sandpaper on metal during direction changes. Critical fluid specifications and maintenance requirements. Contrary to Subaru's lifetime fluid marketing claims, documented evidence shows regular fluid changes at 30,000 to 50,000 miles interval significantly extend transmission life. Current Subaru models require specific CVT fluid types that cannot be substituted without risking catastrophic damage. 2020 through 2024 non-turbo models require Subaru CVTF-3 blue/green low viscosity fluid. 2020 through 2024 turbo models require Subaru CVTF high torque amber low viscosity fluid. 2019 and earlier models use Subaru CVTF-2 or manufacturer approved equivalent. While Subaru officially recommends CVT fluid service at 100,000 miles or more for normal conditions, severe service conditions, which include most real-world driving, require fluid changes every 25,000 to 40,000 miles. Independent transmission specialists report CVT life extension of 50,000 miles or more with proper fluid maintenance. Never use generic CVT fluids under any circumstances. Generic CVT fluids cause catastrophic damage within thousands of miles due to different friction modifiers and viscosity characteristics. Only Subaru-approved CVTF specifications prevent warranty voiding and premature failure. Model-specific failure patterns by transmission types. The TR690 high torque transmission found in turbocharged Outback, Legacy, and all Ascent models shows specific failure patterns documented in over 300 verified cases. According to service data from multiple dealerships, this transmission is particularly vulnerable to torque converter lockup solenoid failure between 40,000 and 80,000 miles.
If this solenoid goes bad, it can cause that torque converter to lock up, and when you come to a stop, it stalls out your engine.
The TR580 standard transmission used in Impreza, Crosstrek, and naturally aspirated Forester models exhibits different failure characteristics. Based on warranty claim data, this transmission commonly experiences valve body solenoid failure, particularly the torque converter lockup solenoid, showing resistance values outside the specified 3.2 to 3.7 ohms range.
This one is supposed to be between 3.5 and 5 ohms. These are all supposed to be about 12 ohms when it's cold.
Chain slip conditions develop gradually, starting with subtle power delivery inconsistencies and progressing to complete transmission replacement needs. Professional diagnostic requirements and cost analysis. When experiencing suspected CVT problems, specific diagnostic steps ensure accurate identification. According to Subaru Technical Service Bulletin procedures, technicians must verify transmission fluid level and condition using correct specifications. Resistance testing of valve body solenoid shows 12 ohms at room temperature. Changing when heated to 200 degrees Fahrenheit indicates necessary replacement. According to current dealership pricing data, new CVT units cost $3,000 to $8,000 from Subaru, while remanufactured units range from $1,400 to $2,500. Labor costs add another $1,200 to $2,000 depending on model complexity. Valve body replacement addressing common solenoid failures costs $800 to $900 compared to complete transmission replacement. Fluid changes every 25,000 miles cost $150 to $250, but can extend transmission life by 50,000 miles or more. High-risk model years and warranty coverage. According to warranty extension documentation and NHTSA complaints 2010 through 2015, Outback, Legacy, Forester, Impreza, and Crosstrek models received extended warranties to 100,000 miles due to documented reliability issues. 2019 through 2020 models in the same lineup also received warranty extensions with specific coverage for different transmission types. 2024 models show emerging failure patterns with multiple documented cases under 15,000 miles across Outback, Legacy, and Ascent models. Actionable protection strategy for owners. When experiencing CVT symptoms, document all symptoms with video evidence showing dashboard warnings or unusual sounds. Contact your dealership immediately to schedule diagnostic inspection while symptoms are present. Request written diagnostic reports documenting any found issues for warranty protection. Maintain strict fluid change intervals using only specified CVTF types, regardless of lifetime fluid marketing claims. Monitor transmission behavior during highway acceleration, hill climbing, and stop-and-go traffic where problems typically first manifest. Consider independent transmission service from certified technicians familiar with Subaru CVT requirements. The warning signs we've covered, from immediate failure indicators like transmission temperature warnings to progressive symptoms like delayed engagement, can save you thousands when recognized early through proper DIY diagnosis and professional intervention. The financial reality is stark. Complete CVT replacement costs $5,000 to $7,000, while preventive maintenance and early intervention significantly extend transmission life. Armed with these diagnostic techniques and knowledge of model-specific vulnerabilities, you can protect yourself from catastrophic failure. Which warning signs have you noticed in your Subaru's CVT performance? Share your specific model year and transmission type in the comments. Your ownership experience could help other drivers identify problems before costly failures occur.